Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. It's happening now. See what is going on, the latest in Rivers State. Rivers Assembly fired and exposed how they were given 200 million each if they will implicate Fubara COS. The matter is beginning to come out, and people who have fear of God are beginning to say, I don't want things to go out of hand. I don't want to, do what will impact on not just on me, but on my children, because of 200 million. So they are coming out to expose how some of them were bribed, and the matter was to implicate Fubara. You see, so this is what is going on now. And then we say we should bring you up to speed. Fubara was suspended by the president of Nigeria on the 18th precisely of March. A sole administrator has been put in, and that guy is trying to, maybe they told him he's the governor, I don't know. He's trying to bring in people, present budget, and that is not the real focal points. Well, the crux of the matter right now is how assembly members were offered 200 million naira each to implicate Fubara. Let's get all the details. River Assembly guys fired reveal how they were offered 200 million to implicate Fubara, says acquittals. According to the report from Channels TV on Monday, April the 7th, four individuals who were previously detained in connection with the fire incident at the Rivers State House of Assembly have come forward with fresh allegations, claiming they have been pressured to alter their original statement and falsely implicate Edison Eyi, the chief of staff to the suspended governor, Sim Fubara. We have been pressured, and this is what is going on. The four men are Chima, Eziebu, Kenneth, Ekbosa, Ololade Lukman, and Macphail Olumide were acquitted in November of last year after spending 6 months in detention in Koji Correction Facility. After a press conference held in Port Harcourt on Monday, Eziebu revealed that they have recently been contracted by the prominent member of the People Democratic Party in Obi Akpa local government area who allegedly pressured them to revisit their statement. Three of the four acquainted suspects agreed to appear on camera to share their story. They accuse political figures of attempting to manipulate them into falsely naming Educing as the mastermind behind the fire that engulfed Rivers State Assembly. They also discussed how they were offered 200 million to implicate Governor Sim Fubara. We were asked to rewrite our stories and falsely implicate Edusi, the chief of staff, and also Governor Fubara, that he was behind it. He sent his chief of staff to carry this out. The trauma we endured is enough, and we will not go online to everyone anymore. The suspect revealed that the alleged political plots also involve framing them for several other high-profile incidents, including the brutal murder of Buka, a division police officer, DPO in one of the areas, as well as alleged assassination attempt on Martin, the Speaker of the House of Assembly, if they fail to receive the money. Their ordeal began in December 2023 when they were arrested under questionable circumstances. Ololade Lukman was detained in December 5th, followed by Chima and Macphail Olumide on December the 16th. Kenneth on January the 5th. They were allegedly brutalized and taken to the Federal Intelligence Response Team facility in Port Harcourt, where they claim they were subjected to trauma and denied legal counsel into citing false allegation and forcing them into confession. One particular disturbing account involved a serving member of the House of Assembly who reportedly visited the detainee with an uniform officer and pressured them to implicate AE, as well as the governor, saying the governor has sent AE to them. In addition to the physical mistreatment, the four accused the former local government chairman of offering them bribe to accuse the governor and his chief of staff. We were offered 200 million naira each to relocate abroad in exchange for our false testimonies. This in documents were allegedly reported, while some of them were transferred to detention in Abuja. In one instance, a detainee was reportedly promised his release if he can identify Kenneth as the architect. Despite ongoing pressure and mistreatment, the charges against them were eventually dropped after more than 6 months in Koji correction facilities. In November 2024, the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt dismissed all charges against the men. Now free, the former detainee are speaking out, not only for themselves, but for other innocent citizens who may be falsely in similar situation being bribed. This country belongs to all of us. Some persons should not lord themselves over us because of political gain. We call on civil society, the media, and all justice-loving Nigerians to join in raising the alarm on what is going on in the political tussle, power going on in Rivers State, where people are being manipulated into accepting the wrong thing and give offered money so they could go abroad because of the situation of the country. So my lovely people, this is exactly what is going on now. You just heard us, you just heard it. They said this is what is happening. My dear, God will help us so we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. The issue right now is that people are accusing, the weakest guys of, bringing a bribery and allegation and attempt on them. We just need to continue to speak out the truth and ensure that we do not allow anyone hold us down. What is going on is not acceptable. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a lovely, fantastic, and a lovely day from us. It's bye for now. Bye-bye.